video, I would like to take you through how you can share Google Drive link to other individuals in order to access anything you have uploaded in Google Drive. What you're supposed to do, just get into your favorite browser, then get into your Google Drive. So to get into your Google Drive, you just need to click above the Google app icon, which is here. Then come to where we have Drive. When you come to where we have Drive, the documents which you have uploaded, they are just in the home interface maybe, or in your Drive they are also there. So what you just need to do, maybe you want to share the link for somebody to be able to access the Word setup. Maybe you can just click this three-dotted icon in the Word setup. Then what you're supposed to do, just click share. Then you can come here, copy the link or share the link. So I prefer to first share the link so that you can be able to enable some restriction. So you can choose to share this link to everyone or restrict it, but I don't want to restrict it, so I just maintain it to anyone with the link can be able to access it. Then I can copy the link. So after copying the link, I can be able now to share this link, maybe using email or WhatsApp. Maybe we can try using the email. So let me log into my email and show you. So I can try and compose an email and then paste it here. So when you come here, you just click above this one and paste, and then name it as it was a Word setup. You can name it as the Word set. Let me show you. Word setup. Setup. So when somebody clicks above this link, you'll be taken into the Google Drive where you'll be able to download the Word setup and set up Word in his or her own device. So thank you for watching, and this is how we usually share the Google Drive link to anybody regardless